welcome to my apartment, you guys. So I'm going to start right here at the entrance, and as you can see, this is my door, and there's a phone here to call the reception, and we get into the kitchen, and these are the cupboards that you can see. The zinc is right here, and moving on, this is the whole part of the kitchen. Just below it here we have a stove. Here's a lighting, you can easily see when you cook, and below it we have a microwave / oven, and just next to it it's a mini fridge right there. So it's a whole kitchen right here. So as you know me, I love organizing. This are some of my biscuits, and then I have a mixture of nuts just below it, and just to snack around and just have it in that space because it makes it feel more like home. My kettle right here, and because if you know me, I love some green, so I saw this corner and I thought it was really bare, and because this plant does not necessarily need light all the time, I just put it there. And we have a fire blanket right there just to be ready and be fire ready, you know. So right here is my fruit basket, and then I have my basil leaves. These are some of my herbs that I use when cooking. So ladies and gentlemen, that's my kitchen. So from the kitchen, of course it's a studio, let's come into my study area, you guys. So my study area, here it is. It's very simple. Of course I'm gonna have my earrings just right there hanging, and then I have my timetables, my projects here that I need to finish, and everything else. And at the corner I have my pencil case, and then this is my working station, my laptop, keypad, mouse there. And then I have a little something here that actually just reminds me of Christmas. I bought this because I'm here and I'm like, oh, it reminds me that it's a Christmas season. So when I'm busy working here, I don't feel like I'm alone or something. It just gives me the vibes when I have like proper Christmas music, and you know, yeah. So these are some of my files, and then my note-taking books, and hey, the kingdom right here with me all the time. Yes, that's my study area, you guys. Done. And there are some drawers there. I love that this place has here we have my window right here. Here is the heating place, and believe me, it might look small, but this heats up the whole room, and I love it for that. I just love it. And let's come to my dining area, you guys. How cute is this? So you have a dining area here, and me and my plants. There they are, the plants. And right above it, if you follow me on Instagram, yeah, you'll know this flower of mine. I've had it since I got here, and it seems to be surviving the winter, even though the white is not showing right there anymore. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, right there, you see what that is? Some of you know what that is, but I won't say right now. But anyways, I have some Christmas candles because I'm just here, I want to be in the Christmas spirit, even though this is actually my first time without being with my family for Christmas. And I have a little star there, just, you know, something that always reminds you of white Christmas, you know, the star that led the shepherds to Jesus' birth. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. This is my dining place. And it also helps me sometimes because my mind is always very busy. When I don't want to be in my study area, I just change and get here, and then my mind gets switched, a bit refreshed. So welcome to my bedroom area, you guys. Isn't it just cute? Yeah. So I do have a bit of pink, I know, but anyways, I just wanted to make it a bit more girly and stuff, and also youthful, because this is just a varsity studio apartment. It makes it really fun. So yeah, this is it, and that's a TV right there. I'm not using it that much
because most of my stuff is online, but for news and everyday updates, that's what I use. On the other side, as you can see, I have my buddy there. It's something that I won when I went to the Winter Wonderland, and it was so fun. We're throwing balls and I won that little birdie there, the big birdie. Yeah, I use it so much sometimes and just lie on it or play around it and stretch with it, and it's really fun. And on the other side, it's where I put in my laundry. So here I have my cow bag. My cow bag is here because it cannot fit under the bed. It cannot fit up there on top of the wardrobe, but anyways, it doesn't bother me where it is right now. And this cupboard, as you can see, it just takes enough. I know it's enough space for a student, but a lady never has enough of cupboard space.
And this is just a studio, you guys. So let me take you through to, oh, the best part about this room is that we have a full-length mirror. Hi, you guys. Hey, come to the bathroom. Yay. It's not so big, it's very functional. This is the shower side, you guys. It's a shower there, and then look at the mirror. The mirror is just enough for makeup, and I think there's enough lighting, as you can see, that I can work with. And then I bought myself this just to put everything else that I would need when I'm in here, because I just didn't have anything that I would use. And then we have this beautiful little space for some of my stuff. Oh, I love this, you guys, because it works so beautifully. But I just thought I should hang a few things there and get it done. And then of course it's going to be a toilet there, and then I put in just a towel. I had to buy my own brush, but otherwise it's quite a usable space. Yeah. Yes.
So last but not least, I have a hanging area just behind the door. This is where I hang my coat because it's winter and stuff. And I also hang my bags right here because it makes it easy for me to take any of the bags when I need them and when I go out. So generally this is my student studio accommodation, private student studio accommodation, you guys. I would advise you, because I got this place earlier on time. The moment I knew that I was going to be coming to London to study, that's when I started searching, because I knew I wanted a studio, private studio for myself. And so if you are that kind of person, I would advise that you look for accommodation way on time if you know that you're going to be studying in London, and also look for the best deals. It's normally easier to find best deals before September, before people get here. Otherwise, this is it, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Look up for the next video that just shows you how my normal day would be like studying around here in London. Love you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share, and also follow me on Instagram just to see what I'm up to. We'll be having better activities that would also indicate on what are the most exciting things to do in London. Ciao.